Hi, my name is Dorothy Misiano, real estate broker at Remax Titanium, and this is my business associate, Rose. We'd love to show you this beautiful listing in the beautiful neighborhood of Sawgrass in sunny, hilly South Clermont. Lots of shopping nearby. Isn't there Publix nearby? And lots of banking and lots of restaurants. Walmart, we have lots and lots of shopping and great schools right here in the neighborhood. So come on in and let's take you for a tour on this 5-bedroom, 4-bath, beautiful home. It was built 7 years ago. It's a DR Horton home. You're gonna notice the upgraded doors and nice high ceilings, and this is an amazing kitchen with granite countertops, double stainless steel sink, beautiful cabinets, stainless steel appliances. You have your refrigerator, your dishwasher, and your stove. And the nice thing is that you have a little bit of a bar over here. You have your pantry, and then you have like a little coffee bar here. Come on in. And then you can make that a coffee bar, and then this could be an office, or this could be a den, a sitting area. And then over here is a cloak closet. What the Northerners love, having a coat closet right as you walk. Shut the door, please. Okay, and then as you come over here, look at this huge area where you can sit in and eat in the dining room or the kitchen area. Plus you have the stools here for your bar top, so you can have a breakfast time there. And then this is your beautiful family room for entertaining. And everything is tiled downstairs, and then upstairs is carpeting. There's a beautiful gray kind of tint paint throughout the home. And you also notice that the backyard is partially fenced, and then you have a wall behind it, so you have no rear neighbors. You have a covered patio, which is so nice, and so that is the back area. You have hi-hats throughout, and then over here, you have the guest suite, which could be a great mother-in-law suite with a full bathroom right next to it. And then you look at the upgraded doors and the blinds. And then there's the 2-car garage, and then you have a little area over there. And now we're gonna head upstairs. She has to go first.
How are you doing?
This is 2,800 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 4 full bath. This is your bonus area. So you can make this a gym, you can make this a play area, you could add fans throughout. Over here is the primary bedroom. It's a really nice size. You have your tray ceilings. You have your master suite with your double sinks, your separate commode, your Roman tub, and your step-in shower. And then here is a huge closet. You can have a party in this closet. So, and this will be your closet. Okay, now we're gonna come over here. Over here, Rose, why don't you show them the laundry room?
Okay. Beautiful.
Washer and dryer there in the room.
Shelving.
And then you also have this bedroom here. Then you have another bathroom, full bathroom with a separate commode area. And then another bedroom here. And then another bedroom here. So you have 3 bedrooms in one area. And then there's a bath. This one has a suite. This bedroom has a bathroom in the bedroom. Nice size closets. Nice closets. But check out that suite bathroom in the bedroom. So it's great for a teenager. It's great for, and it has a tub. So you have your 3 bedrooms right up here. And this is a great neighborhood here in Sawgrass Bay. And you got this bedroom.
Okay. Talk about this.
Okay, great. And again, my name is Darlene Misiano, and this is Rose at Remax Titanium. And we're here in beautiful sunny Florida. Please, in Clermont, Florida, please give us a call at our office at 352-241-6363 if you'd like to see this home. Thank you and have an amazing day.